Can't find your clips in Premiere Pro. Is your project panel looks messy? This one small icon can save a lot of time. In this video, I will explain the source options in the project panel, what they are, why you should use them. In the project panel at the source icon, you will see a long column title like name, label, media type, media start, media duration, and more. When you click any of these, Premiere Pro sorts your file automatically. Sorting means arranging file in a smart order. Now the question is, why should you use sorting? You use sorting to find clips faster, keep big project organized, avoid confusing, and edit more professionally. And especially when you have many clips, sorting is a must. Now the another question is, when should you use sorting? You use sorting to when working with different cameras. When you have many clips, you use sorting. When you import many clips, you need to organize all clips. That's why you need to use sorting. And when your clips have different duration or frame rate, you need to use sorting. And if your project panel looks messy for many clips, then you need to use sorting. So that's all today.